ladies and gentlemen, this is Azan RS Auto. Today I'll be working on Volvo XC90 2006 model. The SIM has been removed, so it's going to be bench programming. I'm going to do some all kilos, so I'll try and get access to the EEPROM, so that I will make a key for the car. Please stay tuned and watch to the end. So I've taken up the cover for the SIM. So this is the EEPROM chip. So I'm going to find a way to solder this chip and do our bench programming for the Volvo XC90. So these are the transponder, Megamons 48 glass transponder, one glass and one ceramic. I intend to use the ceramic finally, the glass, but I'm using one out of the two to actually confirm that they are not locked. So we are going to see. Let me put the ceramic one first. See, Megamons 48, not locked. Put another one in to detect. Put this ceramic here. You can see the ID number also, not locked. So I'll take this out and put the last one. You can see the ID number, I call it if I'm not locked. So I will use one of the glass and one of the ceramic. I intend to do two keys, one with the ceramic and one with the glass. I've removed the chip, and the chip is presently on the Autel IM508, you can see, and these are the I'm removing the EEPROM, that's what I meant, and these are the chip I intend to write in there. So I'm going to put the first chip in. So we are going to do the one touch process. It's reading the chip now. Once we save, I'll save it over. I'll save it. So I want to pick a key position. Let me pick key 1. Make a key. So we're writing back into the chip now. So that's completed for this chip. do another. I remove that. We're putting this. Look at the key ID. Start again. So we are picking this. This is 4cc1. Make a key now. So now the key is able to start the car. So both chips should be able to start the car. But look, you see that the key ID has changed. Confirm that what we did was okay. Look at the two key IDs. So I'm going to check the key. Reading the key information. So I'm going to read this first key. So there you can see 419. Let's read the second key ID. And you can see it's locked. We're reading the second key ID now. What happened? No writing. Okay, sorry. It's supposed to be auto detect. Let's see. This for the glass chip. Okay, the glass chip, it is locked. You can also see. So we now have two keys that can start the car. So what is now left for us is to take the chip and we solder it back. You can see where we remove the chip from. So we are going to solder it back and we can now take it to the car and to start the car. Now the chip has been soldered back in, and here we have the glass transponder in this case. So we assemble this back together. Now I'm back to where the car is. Want to fix the same, the ignition lock and the same model. After which we'll start the car. Okay, we have connected the SIM and let's start the car.
You start.
Battery.
You never buy.
Now the SIM has been fixed and the battery connected. This is the key. Car started. This is Azan Auto. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching.